Alright, goal for right now. It's my science experiment for the day. Is how long is it going to take to cook this bacon? I don't even know how to open this. How long is it going to take to cook this bacon in the microwave? That's what I really want to know. I feel like it shouldn't take too long. And it doesn't have instructions. You know, something like open here. It didn't say none of that. So I'm about to try it out. Alright. I'm gonna try 2. Yeah, I'm trying 2 right now. Oh man.
It's one hard. I'm getting here. I'm blind, even though I have
I put it on 4 minutes. Jack it up. But this is my little science for it. 4 minutes, I don't even really think like a super long time.
Just said you want the hot dog.
I want a red one.
This is the red one, Valley. You want ketchup?
Wait.
Hold on. You can't eat it yet. We got to buy. You got
I don't know how
to
to explain it, like,
You want ketchup?
Yellow one.
it's not
Yellow?
frozen.
You want red too, or you want?
Definitely not
you
frozen.
want
It's
both
like
of them, or you just
thawed
want one?
One.
Just yellow?
Yeah.
That's all you want. Hold on, Valley. You can't
Put it
eat
up
it yet.
in
We
the
got to
bowl.
buy it. So you don't want no ketchup. You don't want no ketchup at all.
Bacon, one of those types of things that
Are
you
you
can
sure you
just,
don't want no ketchup?
it smells like a
What you
dressing.
want on your thing, girl?
She said she don't want no ketchup.
She just want a mustard? Okay.
Like you just smell
Want
it.
this? Okay. Yes.
No, Valley. You can't eat it.
Gotta wait till we pay for it, baby.
Oh yeah, it says it. That was like a minute and some change. Yeah, Haki might take that out. I think it's done. If there are,
We just called
how do I explain this? If there are 2 minutes,
Valentine's.
it
Stop,
only,
baby.
like a minute and a
You're
half.
acting out in school. That's not good. We all got hustlers.
It's like a minute and a half.
Hold my hand. Hold my hand, Valentine.
And now it's for 2. So I'm gonna try that one more time. I'm not gonna do no more. So that was done in a minute and a half. I just want to try it out. probably like one. Actually, this one would be whatchamacallit. If I just move to the other side. But that wasn't bad at all. It could just be high key like while I'm waiting for this one. High key. I got like 30 more seconds. Actually, I might do one more. Actually, I might do one more. It's bacon, bro. Remember my ex was vegan? And she was like, the one thing she missed was bacon. She called it meat candy. Pause. But this don't realize be done, bro. This last one. I ain't gonna do no more. I ain't gonna do no more. I'm done. Like, I'm gonna throw this in the sauce. Drink hot though. Bruh, it be done. It ain't burnt too. If I let it sit, it'll crispen up and let it sit. It's hot. Alright, one second now. What he's done. Bro, I'm done. Cool. I don't feel safe about this one. My man, that one's a little bit longer. Brown a little bit more. Yeah, that thing's sizzling, bro. Cooked. Cooked. I'm gonna leave a mess. There's a little greasy in there.